I want to talk a little bit about what we can expect from the economy in 2025. 2024 was a pretty good year in all ways except for inflation. Um, Looks like inflation has come down a bit, but of course the problem still lingers with us that prices have not come down. The rate of increase has gone down, but still prices that went up over the last 3 or 4 years have not come down, and that still is an issue, no question about it. However, I'm seeing a lot of anecdotal evidence across the economy really since the election. And that evidence points to people opening up, being more positive to expansion and spending money and things like that. And I think that's great. It seems like this past year, the entire country was just holding their breath for most of the year. Half the country wanted one person in, half the other, and there was a lot of uncertainty. Now that we have certainty with that, it seems like people across the board are kind of opening up their checkbooks, businesses and people as well. And I think that is good. That should raise the economy. Now, we still have the issue of interest rates, short-term interest rates, and then also long-term interest rates for business loans and mortgages and things of that nature. I think those are still going to be elevated throughout the year. Hopefully I'm wrong, but from the best I can tell, I think we're going to still see those rates up. Now, the good news will be if you have cash money in money markets and CDs, the rates there should still hold up throughout the year as well. So I hope you're doing well. Hopefully we have a great 2025. The only thing we always want to keep an eye out for is an unknown issue in the economy. Usually we have big downturns and realize the stock market has really run up the last few years, and it is historically high, no question about it, and it's a little bit scary. When we see big problems in the stock market, it usually comes out of nowhere. It hits us in the back of the head. Nobody sees it coming. So you always have to realize that's always an issue, especially if you have money in the stock market. So make sure you're a little bit conservative. But overall, I think the economy is looking real good for 2025 right now. Take care.